Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. This episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about fly traps. Specifically, well, there are a whole bunch. First, there are a whole bunch of different ones on them. There are ones that are electronic zappers that take power. There are ones that are sticky. There are ones that are like they come with either a bag or they come to go screw on a jar, and you put some attractant inside there with a little water, and the flies fly in, they get stuck and everything else. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Now, some of the attractant ones, the bad part is they smell. They can start smelling. They start getting flies in there, and the flies start decomposing, and it draws more flies in, but it stinks. There are the sticky ones that hang from the ceiling, the paper, you pull it out, and it kind of sits there and twirls a little bit, and the flies fly to it. Well, sometimes it comes down, it's hanging down low enough, you turn around, I got it all over my hands. So you got to make a choice. Where you can put them, what you're going to use, what type you like. Now, do you notice the fly trap I got in the video right now? I've been in a lot of these videos here, and most people don't even notice it. All right, it's right there. I got a bunch of these off of Amazon because the gnat problem was bad around here, and the gnats were so small they were coming through the screens. And so I got these fly traps. Now, pull one of these apart here so you can do it right. There we go. So basically, this is made for, like, if you have house plants and stuff in pots. You stick it into a pot, and then you peel off the white covering here, and expose. If I get it turned around so it does it right here, and it exposes the sticky part. Well, like over there, what I did is I just cut it off. Took some blue painter's tape and just taped it up. That way, I just peel it down once it gets full and toss it away. There's a bunch of different yellow ones you can get. I just kind of like these. They were cute, and they were cheaper than some of the others, and they work. So whatever you want to use, figure it out. Experiment a little bit if you need to. Use what's best for you, and get rid of your fly, gnat, other flying insects, mosquitoes. Oh, it attracts mosquitoes, June bugs. That's a lot of bugs that get attracted to this yellow color. All right. So before I take off, though, I want to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel. We're getting it close to 1,500, and I'll have a 1,500 giveaway. I'll announce that when we're about 50 subscribers away from it. But one of the giveaways is going to be a $150 Amazon gift card. So share us out. Try to get other people in here. Now, I'll be giving giveaways for anyone who shows up in that special live stream. They'll probably somewhere around Christmas time, hopefully. We'll get it done by the end of the year. And I'll also have some giveaways for channel members only. And the channel member giveaways go on all the time, because the money that people pay to become channel members, the majority of it goes back out as Amazon gift cards to channel members in weekly drawings. All right, so how much do the channel memberships cost? They're 99 cents for the prepper level and $1.99 for the Grayman level. And I do training videos and stuff for channel members only. All right. Also, get your friends, neighbors, relatives, coworkers prepared. Get them at least starting on it. You don't have to bury them with, oh, you need to do this. No, say, hey, get a little extra food. Get some extra water. Remember when you had all that problems with toilet paper back in 2020? Get a little extra toilet paper stocked up. Get some extra food stocked up. Small steps. All right. So get them prepared, and to help you do that, I'm going to put the links up here near the end of the video for the the Prepping for Beginners playlist and the Prepping in Private playlist down there. But I also want to tell you about my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. I'll put the link for that up here in a minute. On that one, I do gardening. I had an indoor garden I was doing. I've been showing the garden stuff I'm doing outside, all the work I'm doing to increase the sustainability and my situation with my home here and the one I have across the street where my daughter's living. All things I'm doing to improve it so I'm better prepared for whatever comes my way. With that, you want to get all these people prepared. Why? Well, the reason is you don't want them coming after your supplies and taking your food and medicines and everything from you and your family and leave you in a bad spot, well, like this.